I recently read an article called The Teacher and the Community. But before that, hi everyone, my name is Almarfred Emerantes and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'll be sharing my thoughts about something very close to my heart. Our teachers and their roles in the community. And wow, it really opened my eyes on how important teachers are. Not inside the classroom, but outside as well. What really struck me is the idea that a teacher's influence does not end within the four walls of the classroom. Their presence flows beyond textbooks and blackboards, reaching homes, families, and the very heartbeat of the community. Teachers are like candles. They burn themselves out just to give light to others. They plant seeds of knowledge, yes, but the most importantly, they water them with patience, hope, and love until those seeds blossom into dreams and realities. You see, many of us think that a teacher's job ends with the bell of rings. But the truth is, teachers are leaders, counselors, and the role model of the community. They influence not only their students, but also families and even the whole neighborhood. What struck me the most in the article is how teachers become bridge between the school and the community. They don't just teach lessons, they build values, inspire dreams, and even solve problems beyond academics. For example, when the teachers encourage parents to be more involved in their child education, the entire community benefits. Honestly, it made me reflect. Teachers are not only shaping minds, and also shaping society. Without them, there would be no doctors, engineers, leaders, or even bloggers like me. They truly deserve respect and support from all of us. So my reaction to the article is simple. Teachers are heroes, unsung heroes actually. And as a community, we need to appreciate them more, support them more, and recognize their sacrifices. That's it for today's vlog. If you agree that the teachers are the backbone of our community, don't forget to like this video and share your thoughts in the comments. And of course, let's all remember to thank the teacher today. See you next time. God bless. Bye.